Look, everyone chasing sales targets right now is stuck in a loop they can't break. Cold calls that go unanswered, endless back and forth emails that feel more like a test of patience than progress. Meetings that end with nothing but vague promises. It's maddening. It's brutal. And no matter how many fancy funnels you build or scripts you memorize, the frustration piles up. You feel like you're shouting into the void, burnouts hitting hard, wondering if the old-school sales playbook is just dead weight. But here's the thing. Nobody admits out loud. Relying only on those conventional sales techniques is a losing battle in today's world. A slow death by 1,000 tiny cuts, while the market speeds ahead. Now, growth hacking, that word gets tossed around a lot, but it's not just a buzzword. It's a declaration of war against the old ways that no longer work. Growth hacking means flipping the script entirely. It means grabbing data, tech, psychology, and relentless testing by the scruff of the neck, smashing your assumptions and refusing to settle. It's smart, lean, and brutal. If growth hacking doesn't replace your traditional sales methods, it at least makes them obsolete. The truth is, you don't just need a new tool, you need a new mindset, and it isn't optional anymore. Here's what you have to do. No excuses, no fluff. Step 1. Obsess over your numbers like your life depends on it. This isn't high-level marketing guesswork. This is digging deep into every click, every lead drop-off, every single conversion. If you don't know exactly where prospects bail and why, you're flying blind, wasting time and money. Step 2. Automate ruthlessly. Set up systems that work for you even when you're not staring at your screen at 2 a.m. Email sequences, chatbots, personalized content flows. Design these to build relationships automatically but feel one-on-one. Step 3. Test everything. Headlines, pitch angles, follow-up timings. And when you find something working, double down hard and fast. If you wait, you lose momentum, and someone else will snatch your market piece while you hesitate. Don't fool yourself. Growth hacking is not a magic pill or a replacement for real sales talent. It's a weapon upgrade. It forces you to be incredibly smart about where you spend your energy and forces you to drop all the BS that slows you down. The founders who get stuck trying to do it all with cold calls or old scripts without adapting are the ones who end up watching their competitors steamroll through, dominating channels they never dreamed of. This isn't about throwing sales away. It's about transforming sales into a dynamic, measurable, scalable engine powered by real data and real insight. And here's something nobody says loud enough. The future buyers. They are already numb to conventional pushes. They ignore your calls, delete your emails, filter your ads. Growth hacking hooks into human behavior, social proof, networks, and psychology. It's behavior-driven. You don't push, you pull. You build something so valuable and perfectly timed that people can't help but swipe their card, click the button, or sign on the dotted line. Growth hacking means building momentum that works 24/7, never sleeps, and doesn't care if you're tired or distracted. If growth hacking doesn't replace your old sales approach, your business will get stuck. Plain and simple. It's an uncomfortable truth. The grind you know isn't enough anymore. And if you're not ready to embrace fast, ruthless iteration powered by tech and real-time feedback, you'll be watching from the sidelines as others crush it. But if you do, if you step into this new game with both eyes open, you take back control of your growth. You move faster, you spend smarter, and you build something that lasts beyond tricks and hype. Real growth isn't about luck. It's about relentless, intelligent action. It's brutal, but it's totally worth it. So stop dreaming about some magic switch. You want results? Start obsessing over your data. Automate every repeatable step. Test harder than you've ever dared and rethink what sales means in 2024. That's not just advice. It's the blood and sweat code anyone serious about winning has to live by. Growth hacking isn't the enemy of sales. It's the evolution you can't ignore anymore. If you don't make this leap, someone else will, and they won't hesitate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.